Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Mac OS Sonoma device, and now I'm gonna show you how to edit photos using standard Photos application on this device. So firstly, we need to download the photo we wanna edit. For example, any landscape. Let's find a landscape photo. Okay, it have maybe not too good resolution. Okay, so let's find any photo we can find and click download. Cool. And if you will open this photo just using the preview app, so maybe it's a good idea, but unfortunately you can't do something special using this application. You can just draw and that's it. But we can open the, so let's close the Chrome. We can open the Photos application. Let's open it. And now we can move to the Photos application, landscape photo. Let's edit. And now we can open our photo app and now click edit. And great, as you can see now here we have great, beautiful photo editor built in our device. We don't need to have the Lightroom to just change the colors of the photo. We can use our built-in Photos application. Of course, maybe this application is not too powerful to like Lightroom, but in some situations it's really great analog of Lightroom. As you can see, we can change colorful and lights in our Photos application without the directory settings. For example, of course, here we have everything. Here we have noise reduction, and here everywhere we have auto settings. Here we have retouch to remove something. For example, we can remove this mountain. Boom. Of course, it doesn't work too good. Of course, in the Lightroom maybe it will look better, but it's not too bad. Okay, and it's completely for free. Cool. Of course, with the subjects it works better. We can need to disable the brush. Of course, if you have a MacBook Pro device with the touch bar, you can use all of these features on your touch bar, and it's really great. Here we have the sharpen. We can change it. We can change the noise reduction feature. We can change the colors. This is the great color palette, and we can change the hue, saturation, luminance range. We can stop the vignettes. For example, strength of vignettes, radius, and softness, for example. And it's really great. And don't forget, this is the built-in editor. And of course, here you have auto mode. So, cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.